Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Exploring the Hotels.com booking platform, a comprehensive review. In this video, we'll delve into the Hotels.com booking platform, highlighting its key features, target audience, and why it stands out as a premier choice for securing your accommodations. Links to Hotels.com and other helpful resources are available in the description. Hotels.com caters to travelers seeking a simple yet dependable platform for booking accommodations globally. Whether you're a business traveler, a solo adventurer, a family on vacation, or planning a short trip or an extended stay, Hotels.com offers a streamlined experience. While specializing in hotels, the platform extends its offerings to encompass resorts, vacation rentals, and unique boutique stays, ensuring a diverse selection to suit every preference. Navigating the platform is effortless thanks to its user-friendly search interface. Filter options abound, allowing you to refine your search by price, star rating, property type, amenities, and guest reviews, making it easy to pinpoint the ideal accommodation for your journey. A standout feature of Hotels.com is its rewarding awards program. For every 10 nights booked, you'll earn a free night at a participating property of your choosing. This loyalty program is particularly beneficial for frequent travelers looking to optimize their travel budget. Beyond the rewards program, Hotels.com regularly features secret deals, discounts, and flash sales, providing budget-conscious travelers with opportunities for significant savings. Pricing on the platform is transparent, with detailed cost breakdowns to eliminate any surprises from hidden fees. Most bookings offer free cancellation options, granting flexibility should your travel plans change. The Hotels.com mobile app enhances the booking experience, allowing for on-the-go reservations and access to exclusive app-only discounts. The app also conveniently stores your booking details for easy access. For international travelers, Hotels.com supports multiple languages and currencies, ensuring a smooth and localized experience. Customer support is readily available 24/7 via live chat, email, or phone, with representatives ready to assist with any inquiries. Verified guest reviews featured on the platform provide valuable insights, enabling you to make well-informed booking decisions. In conclusion, Hotels.com presents a versatile and dependable platform that streamlines the accommodation booking process. Whether you're seeking a luxurious hotel for a special occasion or a budget-friendly stay for a quick getaway, Hotels.com has you covered. Explore the links in the description below to discover its full range of features and begin planning your next adventure today.